This is Niall Amari is back to Best RV channel. Today we're presenting you a beautiful 25 feet. And the nice thing about the Rockwood travel trailers, when they give you the model, it is a true overall length. So when they say 2516, so that's 26 feet tip to tip. And show me a 26 feet tip to tip with two slide out. This is a beautiful 2516S. It's a Rockwood travel trailers front kitchen with a bedroom slide. So in the front, you have the L-shaped front kitchen, two-tier seating with an eating table facing the TV and the fireplace, kitchen, bathroom in the middle, and then you have a nice queen-size bed on a slide with a full wardrobe in front of you. So the bed shouldn't come on the Rockwood 2516S. It has the nice automatic window on the front, the good cap with the blue diamonds. Beautiful 2-inch doors with the 3-step to get in. A big power awning cover all the unit. Now, the beauty about the Rockwood travel trailer, they give you a TV bracket outside grill with a cooking table. Come with it. As well, it's all power. This travel trailer, 2516, there's nothing manual. It's a kind of jack in the front, power awning, power stabilizer jack, and 2 power slide out. Now, the key of Rockwood Mini Lite at Best RV only, we always order the option of the 2 solar panel. It's a standard, they give you 200-watt solar panel, but Best RV management must and require for server when they build them to Best RV has that option, because we believe to give more option to our customer. So this unit behind me has 2 200-watt solar panels. So the total wattage on this unit is 400 watt. Now, another advantage why you need to buy Rockwood travel trailers, because it's a standard at Rockwood travel trailers, they give you 1800 watt inverters. It comes standard from the manufacturer. So this unit, automatically you need to know 400 watt solar panel Best RV and 1800 watt inverter, 11 cubic 12 volt refrigerators. So you have a plenty power, unlimited on this unit. Now, look here. Another feature of Rockwood they provide you with the competitors, without mentioning names, they don't provide you. It has a torsion bar axle. Why this one has a torsion bar axle? Because Rockwood is a niche product. It's a unique travel trailers. 6 aluminum walls. So the wall in the back, the wall in the front, the 4 walls, the floor, and the ceiling is a true aluminum frame. There's no wood truss whatsoever in this unit. Even the structure of the queen size bed is aluminum. A lot of stuff inside this is aluminum structures. There's no wood. That's the reason why you can get a 26 feet like this one, 2516 has, with 2 slide out with that kind of weight and is a light. You could pull it with any half-ton truck. You could pull these trailers with any SUV V8 or heavy like a Ford truck. They have the V6 EcoBoost. Their towing capacity 11,300 pounds. We could pull these trailers with no problem. And this is a tough one even. I want to show you this. Look at the aluminum structure on the bed base. So this is the queen size bed slide, and you can see the small a little bit. Now, another feature, why you need to buy a Rockwood travel trailers, it is a frameless window. This is a big deal. This is the frame window. You don't have to cock it like standard window. The standard window, like you see in some other unit, you have to make sure cock it on the round so it does not leak water in the rain. This one, I don't have to do nothing. We're in the maintenance, there's nothing, because it's the same window they use on the automotive, like the car. It's a rubber, see. Gel coated. Look how flush that window in the front. You have no rubber like some other manufacturer. And so it's Rockwood is a niche product. It's unique build. They give you different framing, different axles. The feature they provide with their unit is way too loaded. We have many videos we talk about with the Rockwood Mini Lite, how it's a unique product, solid wood inside, not a paper, solid surface countertop, not a Formica. So it's a unique unit. Now let's go inside and show you some of the features of the Rockwood 2516S. Now, as we walk in here, we're facing a beautiful theater seating. I love the theater seating on the Rockwood for multiple reasons. First, you can see I have the handle, so I can kick it back. I have distance. I could almost sleep on this theater seating. I have a cup here, a cup holder on the right and the left. I have middle console for my remote controls. And then there's a USB plug here. I could still charge my phone while I'm watching the TV. Nice eating tables, and these one, they spring, so make it easy to get in, to get out. And also, if you don't want them, they're removable. That's the beauty about it. Facing a smart TV with a fireplace, straight shot, straight directions to the TV and the fireplace. And then look over here, please. Just look this, how beautiful this kitchen with a big window, and it has the rollers. Give you privacy if you want. There's a 110 plug, USB plug, both sides. There's a prepping area, the left side of the sink, the right side of the sink. Nice 3-burner range with an oven. Now, this is all self-closing cabinet. That's another thing why you need to look at Rockwood. They give you things like on that price point, you have to pay thousands of dollars somewhere else. But look, Rockwood, self-closing cabinet. Now, this is a solid wood. This is not a paper. You need, customer, you need to be careful. A lot of unit outside, they have a wrap paper on their cabinet doors. Rockwood is not. It's a solid wood. Show me here. Show them this. Look, this pantry. I could remove them and I could use it for hanging clothes, or I could use it as a shelf. This is the outdoor grill, go outside. Come with a cooking tip. Now, guys, don't worry. I'm going to do this and nothing going to happen. Watch. Solid, solid, solid. One piece roof, styrofoam with aluminum frame. And it has the nice 15,000 PTU air conditioner. Now, look this blue sticker here, 5G Wi-Fi antenna. Come with the antenna, it's already prepped. All I do, I have to put just the router if I want a hotspot on this unit. Come over here. Look how big the mixing cabinet for his and her. Nice shower door glass with water. Now, a lot of people, they ask me, what's this blue hose in this shower? Well, that blue hose, it helps to get you a warm water quicker and faster. And while you're waiting to get the warm water, it take the cold water and circulate it back to the hot water here. So you always constantly, you have a hot water, and you don't lose any water just by opening the faucet and waiting. Let me see. Oh, no cold water. Oh, it's still cold. No, it's hot. No. With the Rockwood, you don't have to that because it take the water, circulate it back until it's hot. And when it's hot, this blue rubber, it turns different color. It indicate to you it's a hot water. It's coming hot. That's one of the features why you need to get a Rockwood. Yeah, look how beautiful this queen size is with the closet on the top, reading light with USB, a nice closet, deep. And then you have another location here. I have to put a TV. Even they give you, say here, here's where you put your bracket. There's no room. There's a room. Doors for socks, pillows, sheets, you name it. This is the controller for the 400 watt solar panel on the roof. We add a fantastic fan, so take the heat out. And the nice thing about why you need to get Rockwood, because they're fantastic fan. They come with the max air vents cover as well. There's another fantastic in the bathroom, and there's one here in the bedroom. This is amazing unit. I don't know how to say it. You need to come just to Best RV and look at the Rockwood line, and specifically on a 2516, where it's a 25 foot to 26 over length with a 2 slide out and a big front kitchen and 2 entry door. Come to Best RV.